Back again with the most important question and repeated question of class 9th. So yesterday we have discussed about circle chapter and more to go from that chapter, but today I have decided to upload the video about parallelogram. This is the most repeated questions of class 9th. So in this question we have given a parallelogram and a triangle extending from the right side. This is isosceles triangle 35 degrees. This means this is also 35 degrees. So we have to find the value of x and y. So let's get started. First of all, we will take one number. You are seeing in triangle DEC or CDE. So DCE I will write here. So now we know that this is isosceles triangle, means this and this will be equal. So right here, angle DEC equal to angle DCE. Angle DCE, yes, is equal to 35 degree. So we will write here reason also. Base angle of isosceles triangle is equal. We have written here base angle of isosceles triangle is equal. This is the reason. So means this is also 35 degree. Now we have to find this. Why? If we find this, then we can do linear pair from this. That means this we will find. First we will find this, then we will do straight angle or linear pair. Sorry guys, my words are not adjusting. So yeah, this 35 degrees. So let's find this angle. Angle CDE is equal to, this means angle DCE plus angle CED or DEC. For this we have to write reason also. So we will write here sum of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. We will write this reason. I hope my handwriting are good for you and you will know that. So this will be reason. So what we will write here, angle CDE is equal to 180 minus 70 degree. This means therefore angle CDE is equal to 110 degree. We have find that this is 110 degree. So now can we do this linear pair? Yes, we can obviously do this. This and this will be linear pair because this is the straight line coming. Let's add this. Then what you are seeing here, this and this is linear pair. The straight line is coming here. This is the straight line. Yes, we will do linear pair here. So first one, that's we have got CDE here, angle ADC. Why ADC? We can also write here if you want CDE, because if we do CDE, that means this will angle, and if we do this CDA, that means the outer angle. So this is the confusing part. Yes, also. So now 180 degree minus 110 degree. 180 degree minus 1 cancel 70 degree. We have got this 70 degree. Now for this we have to write here linear pair, being linear pair. I haven't write here, but you can write here being linear pair exam or being linear pair directly. So this came 70 degree. Now if this is 70 degree, look here, if this is 70 degree, then this is also 70 degree. Why? Because opposite angle of parallelogram are equal. this is 70 degree, means this is 70 degree, this x, this means also x. So we can let here this x, so we have find there x, that is 70 degree. Now 70 degree is equal to x, being opposite angle of parallelogram. Let's write here, therefore x is equal to 70 degree. Reason I have told you, being opposite angle of parallelogram, that's the reason. So now we have to find y. Now next one is, let everything this will, let's hide this. Yes, we have hidden, we have hide already. So now what are you seeing here? Co-interior angle. Obviously co-interior angle means this means the value of x is 70 degree from opposite angle of parallelogram equal. So now if this is 70 degree, we can easily find this angle. How? Because so co-interior angle, by the exam of co-interior angle. So what is the exam? So let's see here, y is equal to a, so w, yeah, what I am saying, y w, y plus x is equal to 180 degree. Y being co-interior angle, we can write here co-interior angle. Co-interior angle, if you are not hearing, listen me, CO dash INTERIOR, this is the co-interior angle. I hope you will understand my language as well as my clear audio voice. So here y is equal to 180 minus, what is the value of x? If this y comes is equal to left hand side, then the 180 degree minus the positive x will be go here y negative. So what is the value of 70 degree? Therefore y is equal to 0 1 1 1. Therefore the value of x is equal to, we can easily find that the value of x is equal to 70 degree and the value of y is equal to 110 degree. Let's summarize this again. So we have the question given like that, this is only given 35 degree and we have to find everything for, and the isosceles triangle is given side. So if this is 35 degree, this is also 35 degree, being base angle of isosceles triangle is equal. So if we find this, then we can easily find the sum of all angles of triangle. Yes, we have already find. So the value of that comes here will be here to 180 degree. Yes, we have got the value of 110 degree, sorry, 180 degree, 110 degree we have got this value. So now this and this will be linear pair because the straight line is coming from the straight line. Here now you can easily see this is linear pair. So 180 degree minus 110 degree is equal to 70 degree, and we have got the value of x is equal to 70 degree. How? Being the opposite angle of parallelogram, because this is parallelogram we have given, this is the sign of parallelogram and this is already given. So this is also x is equal to 70 degree. We can easily find a opposite angle of parallelogram are equal. So now this y, what is the relation between x and y? We can easily see this is the co-interior angle exam. We can easily add this. So x is equal y is equal to 180 degree minus x, and the 180 degree minus x means 180 degree minus, what is the value of x? Yes, 70 degree. So y is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. Therefore y is equal to 110 degree, like that. So if you are interested to watch this more kind of video with easily steps, so please subscribe my YouTube channel. We haven't any growth from yesterday's video. I hope this will be motivate and help you to score a good marks in your class 9th exam and good for upcoming your next year class 10. So I hope this will affect you very goodly. So please like, share and subscribe if you haven't do it. So this was our yesterday's circles and today our parallelogram. This is the video number 2. So bye everybody, and like, share and subscribe.